Have you ever seen a dollar bill with a star at the end of the serial number? Let's talk about this 2013 $1 bill with the serial number B06367636 and what that little star really means. This is called a star note, and it replaces a misprinted bill during production. That star means it's part of a much smaller batch, making it more collectible than a regular note. For this bill, the star note run is relatively low, depending on the series. Some collectors will pay $3 to $15 or more for one in uncirculated condition. Star notes with fancy serial numbers, like repeaters or low numbers, can be worth even more. This one? With serial B06367636, it's in good shape and could be worth more than face value to the right collector. Voiceover or text, got a star note in your wallet? Check the serial number, you might be holding a hidden gem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more cool finds.